Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Colmi C8 Max Smartwatch. This is the second video for the unboxing of the Colmi C8 Max Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to focus more on its menus and features. So if you are interested to know more about the offered features in the C8 Max smartwatch, watch this video. Again, this is the Colmi C8 Max smartwatch, the latest wearable from the company Colmi. And of course, if you still haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now, like, and share. Okay? Alright, so let's begin and explore the different menus and features of the C8 Max smartwatch. Again, it is a decent looking smartwatch, very affordable, metal body frame, PC back cover. It has a quick release pin, flexible silicone strap, and with a IPS LCD screen. So we have here some of its features or some of its specs. Okay, IPS 1.9 inch screen display with a 240 by 288 pixel resolution. We have here a preview of its features. The Colmi C8 Max smartwatch. Okay, so again, let's explore the wearable. So on top we have the different shortcut to the settings and other functionalities of your smartwatch. On the other side we have the different widgets. Okay, here on the left side we have the notifications. On the right side we have the different widgets here. Sleep monitoring, heart rate. Can we use this one? Okay, just to scroll up. SpO2, blood pressure, stress, weather, music player, shutter remote, relaxation, and that's it. On the bottom part, we have here a somewhat like a single page, okay, for all of its applications or common apps. To go to the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so we have sleep monitoring, heart rate, we have the Bluetooth phone call, exercise. This is the sports function, we'll check out later on. We have the blood pressure, blood oxygen, stress, weather report, message or push notifications. We have the shutter, music player, Bluetooth music player control. We have the relaxation, timer, alarm, stopwatch. Okay, so this is a fully loaded smartwatch. We have the world clock or world time, cycle tracking. We also have a flashlight, find phone, calculator, AI voice, games, Muslim. I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one. Maybe it's a Bible or something. Okay, so it's prayer and reminding. Feature, stock. We have settings. Okay, for the settings we have display, vibration and ring. We have do not disturb mode, low power mode, phone call, gesture support, dynamic island. Let's activate this one. Time setting with options to set to 24-hour or 12-hour format time. Language, so it has support for several languages. Okay, go back. We have the about, and for the sports, just press this one. This will serve as a shortcut. Okay, so we have games here. We have at least 2 games. Press this one. So we have the different sports function. We have the walking sports, running, cycling, skipping rope, badminton, basketball, football, climbing, tennis, rugby. We also have here a golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, baseball, elliptical machine, indoor cycling, free training, and rowing machine. To add more sports, let's explore. Is it categorized? Let's see. Okay, very good. We do have here different categories. Outdoor activities, trainings, dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports function. Okay, so I'm impressed with the list of features or menus available in this new smartwatch by Colmi. The Colmi C8 Max Smartwatch. But before we end, let's check out the different watch faces. Okay, looks nice. And very affordable so far. Colmi always have a very affordable price for its smartwatches, usually less than $20 US. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, the Colmi C8 Max Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.